In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account in VT Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to myaccount.vtmarkets.com, and then on here, you can go to account over here on the left, and then you'll be able to see you have two options. You can switch between live and demo accounts. So let's say I want to actually open up a demo account. I come over here, click on open demo account, and then you can go ahead and set your account configuration, and you can submit and open a demo account like this. What you can also do though is you can go ahead and open a live account by switching to live account here, and you can open a live account like this, and then again you'll be going to your verification process where you have to do the account opening verification, the ID verification, and then last but not least the POA verification to get all the functionalities over here. So that's pretty much what you can do, and that's how to create any of the two accounts on VT Markets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.